So hi everybody, it's Eileen again here, and today we're on day 2 of our 14 days of top tips for total well-being, and that's quite a mouthful. So obviously back outdoors again today. So today I'm going to share with you just a really basic breathwork technique to help you relax. And tomorrow we're going to do the opposite, and we're going to give you a breathwork technique that will energize you. So it's good to know how to use both. So I'd like to invite you just to notice how you're feeling. If it's one of those stressy days or one of those fairly relaxed days, on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being you are super relaxed, you're so relaxed, you're horizontal, and 0 being you're nowhere near relaxed, you're like high wired, very touchy, maybe a bit short-tempered. It's all fine, that we're not making any judgments, it's just noticing where you are. So on a scale of 0 to 10, if I said to you, how relaxed are you now? What's the number that pops into your head? So 10 would be super relaxed and 0 would be nowhere near relaxed. So whatever number just pops into your head, maybe a 4, 5, 6 or 7. And all I'm going to ask you to do is maybe close your eyes and just tune into your breathing and just notice how you're breathing now. So just notice the depth of your breath. Some of us are mostly chest breathers and some of us are belly breathers, but as long as you're breathing, that's the main thing. That's always good. You've had all these years of practice, so we're just going to tweak it a little bit now. So just notice your breathing and notice the movement of your body as you breathe. So the movement of your chest and your tummy, and movement of the air flowing in through your nose. So really bringing all your attention into the moment and into your breath. And then just start to slow that breath down. So I'm just going to invite you to take a slightly longer, slower, deeper breath in, and a slightly longer, slower, more extended breath out, to just slow the breathing right down and follow the movement with your mind. And then if you notice little distracting thoughts pop in, just if you notice little distracting thoughts pop in, just introduce a really slow count. So we're going to suggest slow counting to 5 or 6. So something at this kind of rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just keep that kind of pace going. So long slow breath in and a long slow breath out, and just adjust that to fit your body, because we've all got different sized lungs. Some of us might have underlying health conditions that make it difficult for us to breathe deeply, but just to give you the impression of doing slightly longer, slower, deeper breath than your normal busy day-to-day breath. And just see if you can keep that going for 1 minute. So just keep that long, slow breath in, counting in your head to 6, and then a long, slow breath out. And this just slows everything down. It starts to slow your mind down because you're giving it something very, very simple to focus on. So it's estimated we can have something like 20 to 70,000 thoughts just barraging through our minds all day long. So don't be surprised if you get 1 or 2 popping in now, but just keep bringing your attention back to counting and back to your breath, and just enjoy having a moment for yourself. Keep that slow count going. And then when you're ready, just open your eye and just notice how you feel now. So on that scale of 0 to 10, what number are you at now? Has it gone up? Do you feel more relaxed? Has it gone down? Do you feel less relaxed? And just noticing how you feel. And that's just a really simple little relaxation exercise that you can do anytime. It's just a matter of remembering to do it, really. So 6 breaths in, 6 breaths out, just slowing everything down, being in the moment and noticing how you feel. So if you can just do that for, say, even 1 minute a day. So can you manage 1 minute a day? I'm sure you can squeeze it in. Even the busiest person is going to manage to squeeze in 1 minute a day. And if you can do that for 1 minute a day, every day, so it becomes more of a habit, it'll stick more in your mind, and then when you do feel maybe a bit agitated or a bit stressed, you'll be more aware of it, and that's a little tool that you can use straight away to help bring in that relaxation response and to get out of the fight, flight, fear, agitated response. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow, day 3, with a more energizing breathwork technique and why that is so useful to know. And see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Look after yourselves and look after everybody else around you. Okay, big hugs. Bye.